BYD has just started selling solar panels out of its car dealerships. Not a pilot, not a trial. All 233 stores across Brazil. Now you can buy solar. They could do this across other other BYD dealerships all around the world. It's very possible. Here's the part that matters. You don't need to even own a BYD. You don't need to own an electric car even. Drive a diesel ute, doesn't matter. Walk in, you can buy a solar system. The kit is 4.8 kilowatts, 8 600-watt panels. There's an inverter, there's racking, there's cables. But the hardware isn't the interesting bit. It's what's wrapped around it. Installation, the grid connection paperwork with the local utility, and a full year of insurance, all bundled into one price. Everything is there, which is very surprising. If you're buying their new SUV at the same time, the solar is about $99 a month for 36 months, roughly 140 Australian dollars. There's no deposit and there's no interest. That works out to around $3,500, about 5,000 Australian, for a fully installed system, plus a couple of $100 in local taxes and registration fees on top. Existing owners and drivers of other brands can finance it too, just with interest attached. BYD thinks the system will produce around 600 kilowatt hours a month. And considering this is Brazil, where it's very sunny, it's very likely that it's true. On the Electric Viking website, I'll put a link in the description below. We have more articles about electric cars and battery technology than any other website that I'm aware of in the world. So check that out. Link is in the description. And there you'll find our videos and analysis and articles about everything going on in the EV world. Now, why can BYD do this when, say, Toyota can't? Well, because BYD already makes the panels. Those modules come out of its own factory in Sao Paulo, running since 2017, now around half a gigawatt a year, more than 2.5 million modules built. So BYD actually owns the factory, it owns the showrooms, and it owns the finance. Nobody else in the car industry has all three. And Brazil is now BYD's biggest market outside China. Not many people know that. Brazil is dominated by BYD. They really kind of own the EV industry in that country. In July, they sold 23,465 vehicles, more than double a year earlier, taking 9.1% share of Brazil's entire car market, and puts them in fourth place overall. The dealership isn't a car shop anymore. It's an energy store. Great to see so many EVs being sold in Brazil too. I mean, it's a country I don't talk about that often, but I will be going forward because, hell, BYD 23,500 sales in a single month, that's really impressive. Thanks for watching. This channel is now officially translated into 5 languages, each with its own dedicated YouTube channel: Portuguese, Spanish, German, French, and Hindi. Full channels, I'm not talking subtitles. If you speak one of those languages or you know someone who does, the links are in the description. And subscribing in these first weeks will really help me. It'll make an enormous difference to how YouTube pushes them out, because at this point, yeah, they haven't gotten a lot of traction yet. It takes a while for things to start. But anyway, we're putting a lot of work into getting this content out there, making this happen. Why does this matter? Well, because the EV transition is not an English language story. Brazil is one of the fastest growing EV markets on earth. And BYD is building cars there. Spain and Latin America are electrifying fast. Germany is the heart of legacy auto industry that's being disrupted. And there's a lot of people who speak German outside of Germany as well. And India is arguably the single most important EV market of the next decade. The audiences in those countries, they deserve their analysis in their own language. At least I think they do. You can already watch my videos on Bilibili, hundreds of them. I'd rather you watch them on a channel that I actually control though. And that's actually up now on Bilibili. I'll put a link in the description to that too.